Hello guys. Nakita ko pala dito si Michael Jackson. Hey Michael Jackson, what's up?
Yo, what's up?
Yes, how are you?
What I'm doing?
What are you do for living right now?
Well, actually, I'm on my vacation since after I released my new song.
Wow!
Yeah.
Really? Are you still creating a song?
Yes, I still do.
Like what?
Like, kung masama maging kabet.
Oh my,
Ang sarap-sarap sa pot.
oh my God, are you speaking Tagalog?
Yeah, since I started vacation since last 2023. So I do have a lot of friends here. So I studied more Tagalog. Like, chupain kita. Like, you know.
What the fuck?
Actually, my friend told me that was a, good morning.
Oh my God, how to say good morning Tagalog?
Chupain taka.
Oh, really? Visit ka.